Hello, I am Harshit Jharia, a first year student pursuing BTech in Information Technology at NIT Raipur. As part of my communication skills project, I am presenting this self introspection guided by Dr. Anup Kumar Tiwari sir. In this video, I will reflect on who I am, what matters most to me, my goals, and the changes I need to make as I begin this new chapter. Alongside my studies, my hobbies like photography and writing allow me to think deeply and explore different perspectives. These reflections are a chance to look at where I am and where I want to go. My name is Harshit Jharia, but who I am goes beyond just being a student at NIT Raipur. I am someone who is always eager to understand things deeply, whether it's a subject I am studying or a new skill I am learning. I enjoy digging into details and exploring the reasons behind things. I have always believed in the power of learning and personal growth, and that mindset drives me forward. My school teachers played an essential role in shaping me by encouraging me to never stop asking questions and pushing my boundaries. While my identity is still evolving, one thing is clear. I am someone who finds purpose in learning, exploring new ideas, and challenging myself. NIT Raipur has opened new doors for me, and I am still discovering that what it has to offer. I also see myself as someone who values relationships. The friendship I built, especially with the people who have supported me during challenging times, have helped me grow. I believe that who we are is not just shaped by what we know, but by the connection we make along the way. At this stage of my life, the most important thing is to stay true to my core values, which includes honesty, hard work, and kindness. While I appreciate the support from my family, I have come to realize how essential the relationships I build with teachers and friends are. Transitioning to NIT Raipur is a significant milestone, and I understand that the connection I form here and the knowledge I gain will play a crucial role in my development. I believe that maintaining a strong relationship is vital. I want to surround myself with people who encourage me and help me grow. It's essential to find friends who share similar values and ambition as they can uplift each other during challenging times. Furthermore, I want to be someone who is supportive and kind to others, contributing to a positive environment around me. As I settle into my life at NIT Raipur, I want to embrace the opportunities to learn and collaborate with my peers. I understand that staying grounded in my values will guide my decision and help me navigate the new environment. Ultimately, what matters most is that I remain connected to my values and surround myself with people who inspire to be the best version of myself. One of the biggest goals I had was to get into a reputed institution like NIT Raipur, and now that I am here, I feel like I have achieved a significant milestone. It wasn't easy getting here, but all the hard work and dedication paid off. However, I know that this is just the beginning. Getting into NIT Raipur was a major goal, but now my focus has shifted to making the most of these opportunities. I want to develop a deep understanding of information technology, get involved in meaningful projects, and learn as much as I can from the talented people around me. Am I achieving these new goals? Slowly but surely. I am still adjusting to the academic pace here, but I am confident that with time I will reach the standards I have set for myself. I am also learning to set smaller, more achievable goals like improving my time management and staying consistent with my studies. These smaller steps are crucial for my long term success. I also have personal goals related to growth, like building strong friendship and contributing to the campus community. While I have made some progress, there is a lot more to do, and I am excited about what lies ahead. One thing I realize I need to work on is my patience. I often find myself thinking too much about where I want to be in the future rather than focusing on the present. it's easy to get caught up in the big dreams and forget that progress takes time. I need to remind myself that growth isn't instant and that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. This is something I am actively working on, learning to appreciate every step of the process, no matter how slow it may seem. Another area I need to improve is balancing my time. I have a lot of interest and responsibilities, and sometimes it's hard to keep up with everything, whether it's managing my studies, working on personal projects, or spending time with friends. I need to get better at organizing my time effectively. Consistency is key here, and I have realized that small, consistent efforts can lead to big changes over time. I also want to be more open to asking for help. Sometimes I try to handle everything on my own, but I have learned that relying on others, whether it's friends, mentors, or even support from campus security professionals, can make the journey smoother. What I want most in life is to find purpose in everything I do. I believe that true fulfillment comes from doing work that matters, both to me and to the people around me. Professionally, I want to use technology to solve real world problems, whether it's through innovative projects or contributing to meaningful causes. But it's not just about having a successful career, it's about making sure the work I do makes a difference in some way. I also want to live a life where I am constantly learning and growing. Personal growth is just as important as professional success to me. I hope to build strong relationships with the people I meet along the way, whether they are friends, mentors, or even classmates. At the same time, I want to remain grounded, always staying true to the values that have shaped me so far. Another key aspect of what I want in life is balance. I want to work hard, but I also want to make time for the things I love, whether it's pursuing hobbies like photography, spending time with friends, or simply reflecting on my personal growth. In short, I want a life where there is purpose in both my work and my personal relationships. It's natural to care about what others think, especially when you are in a new environment like NIT Raipur. When I first arrived, I was concerned about how I had been perceived, whether my peers would see me as a capable, whether my teachers would notice my effort. But over time, I have come to realize that while feedback from others is important, it's not the most important thing. What truly matters is whether I am staying true to my own values and doing what feels right to me. Of course, I value the opinions of people I respect, like my teachers and close friends, but I have learned that I can't let those opinions define me. I need to follow my own path, even if it sometimes means making decisions that others might not fully understand. Focusing too much on what others think can hold you back from being yourself and taking the risks that lead to personal growth. I am learning to find a balance, listening to helpful feedback while staying focused on my own goals. Ultimately, I believe that personal growth and self awareness are more important than external validation. As long as I am confident in who I am and what I am doing, the opinions of others will naturally fall into place. I believe it's more important to love because giving love to others brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Whether it's caring for friends, being supportive in difficult times, or simply offering kindness, the act of loving others can make a big difference in their lives. Loving someone else creates strong connections and bring meaning to relationships. It's also important because when we show love, we spread positivity and that can create a ripple effect. For example, when I am supportive to my friends, it often encourages them to be more supportive to others, creating a cycle of kindness. On the other hand, being loved is also a great feeling. It gives you comfort and security. But I believe that love should not be something we expect in return. When we love without expecting anything back, we experience a kind of freedom. We are no longer tied down by expectation and can enjoy relationships for what they truly are. For me, the act of loving, whether it's toward friends, family, or even in the work I do, is what creates deeper meaning in life. It's something I want to continue doing as I grow and build relationships here at the college. I believe I matter because of the potential I have to contribute positively to the world around me. Even though I am just starting my journey at NIT Raipur, I understand that the skills and knowledge I am gaining now will help me make a difference in the future. Each of us has unique abilities and experiences that shape who we are, and I want to embrace those differences in myself and others. My goal is to find ways to use my skills to help those around me, whether through technology, volunteering, or simply being a supportive friend. I believe that everyone has the power to impact others, even if that impact seems small. When I think about my life, I recognize that it's about creating a positive ripple effect. For instance, if I can assist even one person in a meaningful way, that act alone carries great significance. At NIT Raipur, I see many opportunities to engage with my peers, collaborate on projects, and participate in various activities. Each of these experiences allow me to share what I have learned and in return learn from others. I understand that as I continue on my path, I will have the chance to leave a mark on the world, and I hope to do so in a way that inspires others and contributes to a greater good. Knowing that life is finite, it inspires me to live with a sense of purpose and urgency. I don't want to spend my time chasing superficial goals that don't bring me joy or fulfillment. Instead, I want to focus on what truly matters to me, such as building meaningful relationships, gaining knowledge, and making a positive impact in my community. The reality of life's temporary nature serves as a constant reminder to appreciate the present moment, whether that means spending time with friends, pursuing my interest, or working towards my goals. I want to invest my energy in experiences that enrich my life and the lives of others. For example, I aim to engage in community service projects that resonate with me, participate in group discussions that challenge my thinking, and collaborate with my peers on projects that spark innovation. Understanding that my time is limited motivates me to take risks and seize opportunities as they arise. Instead of fearing the end of life, I view it as an encouragement to make the most of every day, to learn and grow, and to cherish the relationships I build along the way. Ultimately, I want to be in a way that reflects my values and aspirations, ensuring that I leave a positive legacy. The greatest impact on my life has come from my family and school teachers. They have always been there to support me and guide me on my journey. My family has instilled in me fundamental values like honesty, kindness, and hard work. These values have been my compass, guiding my decisions and action as I navigate the challenges of life. They taught me the patience of resilience, showing me how to face obstacles with a positive mindset and determination. On the other hand, my teachers have played a crucial role in shaping my love for learning. They encouraged me to ask questions and think critically, which has been essential for my academic success. The passion they exhibited in their teaching inspired me to pursue my interest and pushed me to explore new ideas. As I step into my life at NIT Raipur, I carry the lessons they taught me, and I am eager to build new connections with mentors and peers who will further influence my growth. And I believe that every individual I meet has the potential to impact my life, and I look forward to learning from them and growing together as we embark on this journey. In conclusion, the self introspection has allowed me to reflect on my identity, values, and aspiration as I navigate my life at NIT Raipur. I recognize the importance of learning from my experiences and remaining open to growth and change. I want to express my gratitude to my friends and the security professional for helping me complete the project. Your support and efforts have meant a lot to me. Thank you all for listening to my reflections today. I am excited to continue this journey and see where it leads me. Thank you.